What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to get free items in Roblox for your avatar and how you can do this. So let me directly get into a step. So the first one is all about you have to make sure that you have signed in on your Roblox account. And once you sign in on a Roblox account, just navigate to the marketplace. Now from here in the marketplace, what we need to do is just go over here, select all items. You can see we have options like whether you wanted characters, you can customize it according to needs. For example, if you need only clothing, you have to select clothing. But if you need all these kind of things, you can just go for all items and you can set this up and you can go for apply. And right now I'm going for all items and I have to set the price because we're looking for free, which means we don't have to pay for any dollars from our side. So I'm going to set this to 0. Now I have to go for apply. So these are actually absolutely free, legit available things on your Roblox officially. And this is not like kind of modes and all those things. So once you get into this, you can just go over here and select the character which I look like. For me, I really like the John character. So I'm going to, because it looks like kind of funky. So I'm going to select this one. And once you select this one, what we need to do is you can see this is the John. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on buy now and I'm going to go for get now. And I'm going to make sure not now because I wanted to make a few more changes in this. Now, what I need to do is once I purchase this, I have to go over here in the over here at the top and navigate to the avatar. So what happens is, as you can see, this is some of the very recently done work because over here, and I have already done a video how to make it headless. So you can check this out as well. And all I have to do is just go over here in the characters and click on the characters purchased one. Right now, you can see I have made recent purchases on John, Cindy, Man, Retro Animations, and the Roblox Boy. Now from here, I have to select this particular one and I can use the John as the character and I can use completely on this one. For the further onwards, I can use it and I can use to play the game. So this is what we can set this up, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.